Good morning and welcome to the Mahoning River. Me and my buddy John are out here today for a little smallmouth float. We got about 8 hours of really nice water. There's guaranteed fish here. So we're gonna start right up here on this little riffle and see what happens. Stay with us. It's gonna be a great day. Weather is perfect. Oh, there's one. There's one. Not a big one. First fish of the day. Just a little guy. One. We need Berg's counter.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Number one. It's a little 8-inch guy. See you, buddy. There's one. Little baby. It's a little baby. A 5-inch smallmouth, John.
Wow.
A giant. I can't even lip him, he's so small. Let's see if I can lip him. There is the world's smallest smallmouth. 4-incher. Whammo. There's one on the wacky worm. I feel like a little better fish. Not a giant, but not a baby. Where's he at? Come on, buddy. Come on up here. Oh, that's a good one. Standard Mahoning. 12-incher. Oh, that's a much nicer one. There we go. Come here, kiddo. Give me that line. Give me that line. I don't want to put that up to my hand. Come here, kid. Nice one. There you go. That is a standard fish right there. 10 to 12, yeah. Those are the ones that are in here. Lots of them. See you, buddy. There's one. Tell you what, let's get a selfie with your first Mahoning Smallie. Little trip photo. Oh, that's a pretty good one. Don't drop your phone in the water. Nice. Let me get in there with you. Let me get this one. Oh, wrong way. Nice. I'll take one this way too. All right, let me get a selfie of it. Perfect.
Perfect.
Put that one in the book.
Take it.
Was that on the white? Oh, oh,
No.
oh, black and blue
Switched
Betty.
it up.
Oh,
Switched it up.
look at that.
That's why I came back and switched it up.
There you go. Black and blue. Berg would be proud of you.
He would be.
You know he would.
He told me, he said, anytime you see those, buy them.
I buy them all at our at Butler. They're like 7. I just scrape them. I don't even care what it costs. There he is. Whammo. Number 8. Pretty good one here. That's a little better. Whammo. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, get him. Don't want to get in that tree. Get the rod tip down. There we go. Number 8. Nice one. Alright, just so you guys know what I'm using here, I'm using my standard Micro Strike King. We call her Black and Blue Betty. Works every time. Never use any other spinnerbait anytime I'm fishing for smallmouth. And then on my other rod, I have the pumpkin and white wacky worm with a big giant 2/0 hook. I believe that's Gamakatsu, but I'm not sure. But we're ripping them. We got 9 so far, and looking to get to 40 or 50 today. Something's wrong with this boat. I don't know what is causing that. Something's creating drag. It's like oscillating. Ooh. Ooh. Why is this boat doing this? This boat has got something wrong with it. It's full of water, that's why. I knew it. Why is it full of water? My boat's full of water, John. I gotta figure out what's going on. I don't know what happened. It's got a big hole in it.
In the bottom.
Yeah. We're still gonna float. I'll just empty it out every hour or so.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm not leaving the river for this. It's got a nice crack in it though, right on the bottom. It's a bummer. I love this kayak. I'll start dumping it from the front. It'll go fine. It was almost half full. Like I could feel it was pitching and rolling, and I'm like, why is it doing that? And it was just the water oscillating in the boat. Yeah, it's got the crack. It's pretty good too. It's right there. Darn, I paid good money for this boat.
Are you sure?
Yeah, there's no way we're getting off the river now. I mean, she still floats. I just have to keep emptying it.
Yeah.
Like I think I can empty it faster through the front portal here. Just get it all down there and tip it over. Yeah.
I can help you. So what do you want to do?
Yeah, we'll stop well, anytime it starts oscillating, I'll just empty it.
You'll know.
Oh, I'll definitely. It was freaking me out. I'm like, how do I not have any balance today? Oh, there was one. They're here. Oh, he came back. It's a baby. 16. That's not a total baby. Just a little baby. 16. They never come back for it. That was incredible. Oh, I got another one.
Yeah, me too. Doubled up.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Whammo. A little better. Ooh, touch the boat. We're counting that one. Alrighty. Oh, self-release. Might have to go back through there. Oh, it's nice to catch it. Look at that one. Nice one. That's 17. John caught 18 behind me. Might have to paddle back up through there while my boat's still floating. Oh, I got a big one. Oh, no, it's not a big one. It's a good one, though. Oh, baby. Best one of the trip right there. Oh, yeah. That's a nice one. Got you, buddy. And you took my worm. Where's my worm? Where's my worm? Not a big one, but a nice one. 21. All right, this is what you got to do every 15 or 20 minutes when you got a big giant hole in the bottom of your kayak. You got to open the port. Then you got to spin her around. And this thing is probably got about 50 pounds of water in it. Good thing. No, I'm good, thank you. You gotta drag her backwards. And then you gotta dump her out. Here we go. Oh, I can get it to go this way. There we go. Look at all that water coming out of there. Yep, she's full of water. And then you gotta shake her to get the excess out. Pretty good. Now she's good for another 20 minutes. What a pain in the butt. Did you catch any more down here, John?
No.
Okay, so we're at 21. I took my boat is sinking brake.
How's it going?
I just dump it out the front. It's easy now. And it leaves maybe half a gallon in there. It's no big deal. But she's filling up faster than I thought she was. Hopefully I can fix it. This is my favorite boat. There's one. 28. Whammo. It's not bad. Pretty good one. Come here, buddy. 28. Doing good today. No big ones, but man, we're piling them up. Number 28. See you, buddy. Oh, I had another one. There he is. There's one. Yes. Whammo. That's not bad. That is not bad. Number 30. Look at that. And he didn't take my worm. I think we're going to beat the Berg record. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness, he won't open his mouth to save my life. There we go. 30. Come right in there behind me, John. Run all that. I just missed like most of it. There he is. There he is. Not bad. Oh, he's feisty. Well, that one's not bad at all. One of the better ones. Yeah. Come on. No, no, no. Do not put that in my hand. Got him. That's a good one. 31. Nice. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Come off of there. There you go. There's one. There's one. Little guy. Whammo. Whammo. 38. Oh, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. Come here, buddy. No. Gotcha. 38. Oh, that's a really good one there. You want to pick with that one? All right, I'm coming. That'll be cool in your new kayak. I know you did. Oh, that's the best one of the day for sure. I'll just kind of scoot over there. Oh, dude, that's the ones we came for right there. Hold on, I'll be right over. Yeah, let me get a little closer first. Don't drop your phone. There we go. No, I don't want time lapse. Photo. Got it. Got it. Let me go this way. Oh, that looks really cool. Got a bunch of them. That's good. Watch your tip. Watch your rod tip. Thank you. Dude, that was a good one. Oh, that was the one we came for.
I like it. Thanks.
Oh, you're welcome. Your guide kind of called that one, though.
You did. Guide is on it.
Guide of the year.
The guide knows.
Mahoning River Guide of the Year.
He knows his spot.
I got a big one on here. I wasn't taping, but I got a monster on. The one we came for. Don't lose him. He's huge. Oh, look how big he is. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. He's huge. 2.5, 3 pounds. Easy. Look at the size of this thing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on, get him in the net. Get him in the net. Come on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo! Woo! Holy crap, it's huge. It's huge. Oh, it's a 3-pounder. Oh my God. It is enormous. Woo! Wow. Holy crap. Wait till you see this thing. Oh my God. Oh. Are you ready? Look at that one. Wow. Come on. Oh my goodness. Let me get this other rod down. Wow.
That's a slab.
Hold on, I'm drifting away from you. I'm gonna put him back in the net. I don't know where that sun is. Come back up till we're side by side. Oh my goodness. In the middle of the channel, I was just jacking around. I wasn't doing anything. Wow. Look at that. Wow. That's long and skinny, but that's a big one.
That's a slab.
Wow. Welcome to the Mahoning River, everybody. That just made the whole day. Is that 40?
That's number
40. 8 more to beat the berg. Wow. See you next time, buddy. Thanks for the fight. Dude.
That's a monster.
John is hooked up with 41 right in the middle of the stream again. That's a good one, though. That's no baby. Is that your first cast after I caught? That's crazy. Do you have another one? Dude, you're killing it. 42. Got one. Yes. Nice. Whammo. Fish on, baby. Fish on. That was a good hit. I like that one. Black and blue Betty tearing them up today. There we go. Not a big one, but a nice one. See you, buddy. I got another one. Nice. They're just little guys, but they're tearing it up over here. A little better. No, carbon copy. Same exact size. Nice. 2 casts in a row. That's nice. That hasn't happened yet today. There we go. Boom. Brown bass. Fun. Always fun. Oh, bigger one. Oh, ho, baby. Bigger one. Bigger one. I don't know how big, but he's fighting. Wow. He will not come up. Be a catfish. Oh, that's a really nice smallie. 2-pounder. Maybe 1.5 pounds. I'm going to net this one. Oh, that's a good fish. There he comes. He's coming up. Oh, this is a really good one. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we came for. 1.5 pounds. Pretty nice, though. Whew, bigger than our standard 8-incher. God, I can't get that out of there. There we go. Nice one. See you, buddy. Thanks for the fight. Oh, what was that? I got him. Nice. Nice. saw him come out and then he took it. Well, I had him in my hand for a second. I had a hold of the lure, he shook himself right off. 60. Whammo!